Hi guys, so part 2 of intake forms that you can create on Google Doc to make them fillable. If you don't want the box and you want a line instead, I made this little PowerPoint. This is what you can do to have the line they can write on instead. So just like on the video, you're still going to make your table and you're going to highlight it. Then you're going to right click and go to table properties and change the border lines to 0. But this time what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the bottom border, and by double clicking it, or there's going to be like a little arrow that's over here that you can also click on, and it'll have pictures of different borders and you can select which border you want. And then you're going to highlight it. Then you're going to right click again to go to table properties and change that border to 1 point, so from 0 to 1. Or at the top of Google Docs there are some icons, and there is an icon to widen borders and thicken them. So you can do that too. And then you have your line. So now your patient can type here without the line, moving and all the format getting messed up. So there you go. So if you don't want to use these nice pretty boxes and you prefer to have a nice, straightforward line to type on, that's how you can do that. Thanks. Have a great day.